The elevator at the shopping strip mart on Ontario. We have a Vertechs. It's gonna go between the first floor and the basement, okay? Hear this? Okay.
Wow. This is neat. I love the ceiling.
Capacity of 1,400 pounds. This is the cab view. I'm probably gonna get off here.
Yeah.
And then we'll go back down, and then I'll go back down while you wait up here, okay? There's the buttons. I like these fixtures. So wait for me on one, okay? We're on the elevator now. Okay, we're gonna get our cab view. This looks like a pretty cool elevator. I've never seen this kind of elevator before. It's tiny though. There's all the buttons right there. I'm gonna end inside the elevator because there's a security guard outside of the elevator. There, one. And that's it.